Namaste, my name is Prasman Gupta. My company's name is Mridul Flexi Magnetics. We are into toys manufacturing business for past 8 years. We make educational toys under our brand name MFM Toys for kids of age group 4 above. We have 45 different products with a total 200 SKUs including the variations. We have our in-house manufacturing capacity, packaging, making and designing. We primarily use magnetic flexible magnets, MDF and cardboard in our products. Our range includes puzzles, board games, figurines and educational manipulators. Our main focus is on home education resources. We continue to improve our products, our designs and the materials using the customer feedback that we receive. And that's all about my company.